Why is your Andis Pulse battery charger flashing red? The answer is probably because the battery's cold. When my new clippers, I've got 2 sets of these, 1 set, and then I ordered another set the week later. The parcel was left outside, and when I came to charge the clipper batteries up, they were flashing red. Now it needs to be solid red to be charging, and then it goes green when the battery's fully charged. I've had nothing but hassle with these the last 2 days, these clippers, which is why I'm doing the videos. But that's the answer to that one. When it's flashing red, it probably is because the battery is cold, solid when it's charging, and green when it's fully charged. You do not have to put the whole clipper into the charging dock. You can just put the battery in on its own, which is worth knowing, because, you know, if you've got a dog grooming salon and you've got your clippers attached to the battery, I think, well, what am I going to do the dog with now? You can just put that battery in the charging dock on its own. I've had so much hassle with these the last 2 days. I want to get rid of them, to be quite honest. So in the next video, I'll tell you a little bit about the hassle I've had with them and what I've been told to do, which is to do with charging these batteries up.